Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. Oops. It is an origami tunnel, but what kind of tunnel? Well, if you look through it, it is a Christmas tree. See? Or it can be an arrow. I don't really care. But yeah. So it's a Christmas tree / arrow tunnel. And yep, so if you look through it, it is a Christmas tree all the way through. See, isn't that cool? And yeah, it's the same on both sides. And alright, want to learn how to make it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use, I used a sheet of origami paper that's green on one side for the outside, and orange on the other, so it'll have like an orange inside to it. But I'm going to use a full 6-inch square of normal origami paper. So this is kami, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Now this model looks pretty easy, but it's actually quite a bit harder than it looks. So fold at your own risk. It's not that bad. There's just one tricky step to it. Alright. So in half, and unfold, and out fold to the crease. So we're making a door base. And repeat on this side. Okay, unfold. And now, let's fold this up a little bit. It's not that important, but just fold it up about like this. If you fold it up longer, it'll make the tunnel shorter, I think. But if you fold it up less, it'll be longer, but the lock might be weaker. But just fold it up about this much. It doesn't really matter. Okay, and you can keep it folded, and repeat on this side. You can match what you did here. We're making this fold so that way it'll lock the ends together, because we're going to attach the two ends. Okay. Get nice and sharp. Alright, now let's reinforce these creases here to make sure they're going all the way through. Alright. Like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to attach the two ends together, and this is a little bit tricky, not too bad though. We're just going to slide this into this slot, and slide this into this slot. So it's like a little game where you have to put them both in like this. So start right here, so just about that much, and then try to do it on this side too. Let's try and get them both in there at the same time. See, that's the game there. There you go, looks like I got it. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. And now at this point, you just slide them all the way in like this. And make sure the points right here meet. Alright, and get on this side. And you just pull on this raw edge to, there you go. Make sure the edges line right here too. Alright, and look at that. Here we have a ton, and make sure it's kind of, just tidy up the inside of it. Okay, doesn't really matter. So here we have a triangle right here, and this is a triangle tunnel, see? Yep, and you might like it like that, but to turn it into the Christmas tree, which is a little bit harder, then here's how to do it. So, we're gonna do is we're gonna make, this is gonna be the bottom right here. So this side right here, I really don't think it matters what's the bottom. I'm just gonna do this side. This is the thick side right here, so that's gonna be the bottom. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a mountain fold, and you could do it to taste, but there is kind of a guide mark to it. Well, this is more like an eyeball fold, so an estimation fold. So we're gonna make a mountain fold, and let's look at it from this side. So you want to make it so that this point right here is in the middle of this edge. So from this point, okay, so from this crease right here to this side, so it's in the middle. And yeah, this is an origami lightning bolt I just designed. And if you guys want me to teach it, let me know in the comments below. Okay, like that. It just estimated. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just make a pinch mark right there, and then repeat on this side. So make this point land in the middle of this edge. To eye, like this. Alright, and pinch right there. And now connect the two pinch marks with a fold all the way across. And make sure you're going on all layers too. Alright, you can feel it. Alright, now place it on the table and make it sharp. Like that. Okay, now undo that fold. And now let's make another fold right here. So we're actually dividing this into thirds. Alright, now on this one, you can take these 2 points and bring them together, like this. Alright, and let's first make a pinch right there, and then repeat on this side. Bring these 2 points together. Alright, and connect the 2 folds with the mountain fold. And just look inside, make sure I'm going, okay, on all layers. Okay, and now make it sharp however you can, and use the table here. There you go, like that. Okay. So these 2 creases in the middle, that's gonna be the trunk of the tree. Okay. And now we're gonna connect these 2. We're gonna put a valid fold in between here and here. So let's start right here. So just take these 2 folds and just bring them together like this. Make sure you're going on all layers. Like this. I have my finger inside for support, just to keep the layers from sliding. Like this. Just do what I'm doing here, or however you can. Alright. Like this. You don't really need to make that fold sharp. Just once there's a crease there, you're good. Alright. And yep, looks okay on the inside. And repeat right here too. Just bring those 2 folds together. And I have my finger inside for support. My middle finger. I'm just keeping the layers down as I'm folding it, so they don't slide. Okay. Yep, you don't need to make it sharp. Alright. And now, just shape it to taste. Make it look like a tree right here. Alright, just kind of adjust it. Alright, once you did that, your origami Christmas tree tunnel is complete. There it is. And don't worry about right here, that's nothing. It's just because it's a raw edge right there. Alright. But anyways, there it is. The origami Christmas tree tunnel. Yep, it's a really cool model. And if you look inside it, it looks like a Christmas tree all the way through. The other end of it. And yeah, it's got a nice hollow inside to it too. I really like it. And yeah, look at it from both sides. And yeah, it'd probably be pretty cool if you make it out of big paper. You can probably use any dimension of paper to fold this. Actually, I think you can use rectangles too because of the folding method. You can try it. You can probably try it from printer paper also. Yeah. So there it is. All right. Well, I hope you guys were able to fold that, and hope you find it interesting. Yep. And make sure you subscribe and have a happy holidays. All right. See you guys later.